Welcome home to 12 Tomkins Street in Berserker. Arguably the cutest cottage I've listed this year. This one could be for you. This beautifully renovated Queenslander has had all its classic features kept whilst updating the kitchen and bathroom. With beautiful gardens and side access, this large backyard is perfect for the whole family. If you've been looking for your new home or an investment, reach out to any of us, the team. We would love to help you own this one.